What's up, YouTube? My name is Gabriel, and I got this little cool Kiwi code thing. It's really cool, and I'm doing something called it's called the, for some reason I can't remember the name of it right now, the color mixing LED crystal. So I'm about to be doing that right now on camera, so it's going to be really cool. I got some other things laid out. The only thing I didn't lay out is wire the circuit. So I'm going to be doing all of this, and then it's going to start getting long when I do all this stuff. So I'm going to set you guys up right here. And I'm going to eat some peanut butter and jelly right here. So, yeah. So, step one. Get your box, alright? So you see the box? And then get something called a brad. It's like this little thing right here, you know, that you like slide to the side. And then you're going to get the metal tab. This thing right here, it looks like it's got like a tiny little hole in it. And then we're gonna stick this thing through it. So it's gonna look like this right here. So then I get this thing and I poke it right here where the red is. So y'all can see that. You see where it says red, where my finger is pointing right here. So then you get your red wire right here, this little thing, and the hole on top, you're going to, where the hole on the top is, you're going to put the brad inside of there, and then you're going to get the two sides of the brad and fold it down to where it looks like, I gotta get it completely folded, to where it looks like this right here. It looks like that. So then, step two, get another brad, push it through the green one, the one that says green, right in the middle one that says green. But you gotta get your metal tab first. Put your little metal tab on there, and then stick your brad through the green thing. With the metal tab on it, so kind of like the last time, except put the green line. Get this little green one right here. I've got the wrong green one. I got the wrong green one. So here, I'm just gonna set this down. I'm gonna grab this green one and I'm gonna switch it out for the other green one and the other blue one. I got the wrong blue one, so I'm gonna switch that out right here for this stuff on the inside right here, because I didn't even notice this crap. I didn't even notice this green one and the little blue one, because I was being a doof. So then we get the one with the hole this time. And then, you know, because there are two different kinds. So then you get exactly like I was gonna do, except get the right one. And then the green one, you stick it through, same process except with the green one. Stick it through right there. Get the green colored. Stick it right here. Don't push it in all the way. I'm just gonna tell you that. Don't push the... You know what? I don't have to tell you that, because that's kind of, you can push it if you want to. Alright, so now I have the green one in. Alright, so now I'm going to do the blue one. Get the brad, get the metal tab, push it through, same process as the last one. Push it through the blue hole this time. Don't put the ground bar on yet until I say, because the ground bar is for something else. So then you get the blue wire, push it right here, push it down a little bit, and then kind of let it sit. And then there we go. So this is basically what it should look like right here. All those little wires right there. So then you're gonna, hang on, let me have a bite. By the way, this is number 2. I did the first one and it looked cool. So now, step 3, get your 2 little batteries to Toshiba. You gotta take them out of the packet. And then get your little setup thing right here. And then push them in with the flat side on the springs both times. And then get the little cap. And look, see this little cap right here? Right there? I'm just gonna slide it on. I see. You gotta kind of hook it and then slide it. So then it'll work. Oh gosh, it's kind of hard, actually. Oh, are you serious? Alright, there we go. So you guys, this is what it should look like. It's got the little cords hanging out the bottom, and that'll be used for something later. I'm having a bite of my... Alright, so next step, this thing right here, you see it? The black one, right here on this little brown thing, get the ground bar, wait, where is it? The ground bar, push it right here, right, like this. So right where it says ground bar, you gotta push it on there. And then there are little holes in the bottom. Wait a minute, hang on. Let me look at this real quick. So you get get your brad. Then you pick this thing up, all right? So then you push your ground bar on right over the holes. Make sure they're perfectly over the holes. And then you're gonna push this thing in. Hang on, I gotta find a perfect spot for it. Because sometimes it's hard. Alright, so now the brad should be in there. And then you're going to get the black wire. And then you're just going to push it in here. I'm going to fold it down. Alright, so now it should have like this. So you see how the battery, and then look, right where the ground bar metal piece, wait, hang on, right where the metal piece is, right over here, should be connected where the whole part is. Oh my gosh, this video isn't even that long yet. Alright, so now you're gonna get, now you're just gonna get brads right where the little metal thing is. You don't have any wires or anything, and you're just gonna push the brads through so it just stays. That's basically what the brads are for right now. Alright, so now we're gonna go over here, go to this side, push it in. Uh-oh. Push it down. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right because I don't want to mess up. Here we go. So now this is what it should look like. So we got these 2 random brads right here holding it, and then we got the brad holding up this thing right here. So look, this is what it should be like. I can just let go and it holds it. So then we should be able to, here, I don't have that. So now, get your little stick pads. You can barely see them on camera. But all those little stick pads. And stick them in the guided spots on your little box. So look. Right here, one up here, one up here. One right here on the side over here. One right here on the side, and then on the other side, same spots. So then, you're just going to push them all on the guided areas. Where it says to. So then, you're just going to pop it off. Oh, I popped off to it. See?
Okay, what you want?
What?
Green chips. Yeah. Oh, I got you. Never mind.
That little girl. It's crazy. So then, here. Just keep on grabbing them and putting them in the guided spots. Boom. Don't get the long one until I tell you, because the long one is used for something else. So then we stick it on again. Oh, I stick that one on weird. So then, stick another one on.
There's chicken and
I don't
chips.
want that right now because I'm making a YouTube video.
You're making a YouTube video?
Yeah. So, then we're going to stick that on right. Alright, so now we're going to push this one right here, and then right here. Y'all will see it in a second though, because I'll show you guys the after. And I can't cut any scenes, which I would, but I can't. So I just have to show you guys all this stuff. So yeah. So I would like cut it, like the scene of me putting this on, and then I'll show you what it looks like after, but I can't do that. I need editing software stuff, and I could there might be an app for it, but I don't really know. I don't know. So, I haven't really checked. Maybe I will one day. I don't really feel like it because that's kind of annoying. One second. Alright, so now, wait, I'm almost done, y'all. Promise you. I promise. Make sure I'm done. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, so now, hang on, let me put all the wires back where they were. So this is what it should look like. With all the little sticky foams inside. So now we need to look on here. Need one of these. Alright, look on here. And then if you look closely, you can peel. Hang on, that's kind of hard because it just is sometimes. But you can peel the top and it'll be sticky on the top. So then I'll show you what you can do after that. But it's going to be, all I have to do is the middle four. So I'll show you. Crap, I might just have to take it off and do it for the first one. You don't have to do this. You could just try it in the box, but it's kind of hard for me because I don't have fingernails. Because I bite my fingernails. Because I'm weird. This is kind of hard. There we go. Now I'm not going to take it off. I'm going to try it with it on. But it's kind of hard. But only the middle four, the ones around the little octagon. I had to count the sides because I didn't really count the sides. Alright. I hope you guys know what I'm doing right now. Whoever's watching. all I have is one more, y'all. I promise. By the way, Kiwi Co. Link in the description. I'll put a link in the description because I know how to do that now. All right, so now, look. So look. Now this one's kind of messed up because I just take it off. But look, all of these four right here are all peeled off. Boom. So then, you see the little crystal-looking thing right here. Right through the middle, you can stick it any way you want as long as it looks like here. I'm gonna have to show this on camera because as long as it's like as long as it's looking like it's supposed to, like it's looking. Here, let me get it on first. So this is what it should look like basically now. So it should have all of that stuff on the inside. So then this is what it should look like on the outside. Alright, so that's what the whole thing should look like so far. It doesn't have to look like this. The rock doesn't have to look like that. It can be any way you want it to. So here. Food bread. So now, wait a minute. So now you're going to get one of your giant sticky pads. Take it off. I just peeled off like 6 things. I did not mean to do that. Crap. There we go. So then we got this thing right here. So then right on here, you see where it shows at the top right there? Got like the little square, or I mean the rectangle. You push it in the rectangle. Hang on. Push it in the rectangle. Right there. And then you're going to peel off the back side of it. And then you're going to get this right here. I hope you guys can see it. And then you're right where the on-off switch is. The on-off switch should be sticking out this side right there. So then, basically, this is what it's on the back. This is what it should look like. Right there. On, off. So then, on the bottom, that's what it should look like. It should be stuck right there. So then, now, this is where the video is going to start get longer. So, because I'm doing a circuit thing. So, because I got to take everything out now, because I don't have everything spread up. Because the circuit thing, I got to have everything. Oh, dude. It's everywhere. Alright, so then, we have this thing. I don't remember what it's called. It's like the T something. It's called the, over here, the T-bar. So then it should be like this. So wait, hang on. So if you look, it should be able to stick all the way. Hang on, wait. Stick through that hole right there. And then on the other side, hang on, I gotta find it right here. Alright, and then on the other side, it should kind of come out a little bit. So now, if you look on the bottom, it's got little foam pieces. So where you put the foam. But I'm gonna take it out and put the foam on because I want to, and because I can. So then the gray foam pieces, the gray foam is supposed to cushion, I guess. So then you push it on right there. But this time you're getting the gray foam squares, so I hope y'all are getting the hang of it, and if you aren't, just watch the video over again. And one day, or one time, probably not one day, probably the time that you're watching it, but one day you'll be able to finish it. And so then you're going to go on here, Put it over the gray foam. So this is what it should look like. Right here. The T-foams. Alright, so then I'm going to have to push it through. I don't even know if it'll fit with this. And surprisingly, it doesn't. Sorry if y'all are watching. You should probably watch before you do it because I thought it would fit, but it didn't. I should have went over this before I actually did the video, but I don't have two, so I can't do it and then do it again. So then I'm gonna push it through.